Yo, what's up, YouTubers? So
This part it is New Belgrade.
right now I'm in Belgrade, Serbia. I just got here. I'm in the taxi going to my hotel right now. Pretty nice city. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
The taxi driver taking me right now. You said this is what? This is like New Belgrade?
This part is New Belgrade. All building named after Second World War.
Oh, okay.
Because name is New Belgrade. But
Okay.
when they crossing the bridge, we coming in Old Town.
Okay, Old Town Belgrade. Okay.
Yes.
So what is in Belgrade to see? Like, what can I see in the morning?
It is nice to see Old Town,
Mm-hmm.
Belgrade Castle.
Yeah.
Very, very old, 700 years.
Uh-huh.
We make castle, so not possible to come here, Ottoman Empire.
Uh-huh.
But they coming, yes, history. And it is nice to see Skadalia. It is very old street. It is same how it was before 200 years.
Okay.
And there you have 6, 7 fantastic restaurants.
Oh, I heard.
Because there lives very famous Serbian people
Good.
who make pictures, who make book.
But-
And now his house reconstruction inside, only not outside, only inside.
Uh-huh.
And now his house is a national restaurant with national food.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I'll definitely check it out. Alright guys, I'll keep you guys posted about my trip to Belgrade. By the way, Belgrade right now, they require a COVID test for you to come in here. So I had to take a COVID test. Came from Istanbul, take a COVID test for 72 hours. And that's the only way you can get into Belgrade if you're not a citizen. I'll keep you guys posted of
Go.
raining here today, man. See, you can look down right now, like showing you guys the views from my hotel. And it's really a beautiful view, but it's been raining like all day today. But that's not gonna stop us, man. About to go out, explore. I'm gonna show you guys like the best places to check out whenever you're in Belgrade, Serbia. Are you guys ready? Alright, stay with me. I'll show you guys the top places that you gotta visit when you're in Belgrade. Alright?
Yeah, so it was the name started with like because of the love white buildings once upon a time. So the white city, this is like if you translate Belgrade, and we were part of Yugoslavia, the former Yugoslavia, which was like 5 markets. I mean, Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Macedonia. Oh, sorry, it was 6 actually, right?
Oh, really? Yes. Well, you keep saying 5. Yes.
Yeah, I'm on vacation, so my brain is not working.
That's fine.
Yeah, then we split it up like it was in the 80s because this big president Tito died, and then everybody, started splitting up, and there was a war, which was terrible.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, and basically then, each country is like for themselves.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it was nice, like in the 80s, it was a good life here.
Yeah, everybody wanted to separate it, so everybody's independent now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's how it is. And yeah, so what is one thing what is Belgrade mostly famous for? Like,
Well, if you ask a guy, he would probably say by tennis player Novak Djokovic.
oh, Djokovic is from here, my
Yeah.
favorite tennis player. Believe it or not, that's the reason why I came here, because Djokovic is really good. He always play with Roger Federer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Djokovic is from here, guys. That's my favorite tennis player. Yes, matter of fact, I saw him this morning in a restaurant. We had coffee together. I had coffee with Djokovic in Belgrade. Can you believe that?
Really?
Yes, this morning. Yeah, we went and got coffee. Yeah, and the Starbucks here is different from the Starbucks we have in the United States.
I know.
So when I have coffee, I was like, oh, Djokovic, he was so nice. Yeah. For sure, guys, you know what I'm saying, you got to come to Belgrade, man. It's a nice city, and I noticed that it's pretty safe because I went out yesterday at night. Nobody bothers you here. You know, you want to come to like safe city, and it's really nice. It's really nice at night. You see? Oh, okay. Yeah. So before this time, all the buildings were actually white. Is that why they call it, like, the nickname for Belgrade is White City, right?
Yeah.
It's White City. But obviously now the buildings are not white. Not all the buildings are white.
So especially now in these streets which are like crowded and you know like most traffic
Yeah.
goes through there. So of course, but
Okay.
you saw these buildings like the parliament and you will see it now from the other side.
Yeah. And things are pretty different right now because of COVID, man. You know, COVID, everywhere is different. Like there's no nightlife. I was really looking forward to the nightlife in Belgrade. They said they had good nightlife here, right? They have like, I like seaside. God, by the way, guys, I like seaside cities. Every city that has a seaside, you know what I mean? I really like to go to seaside cities. Like Turkey, man. I love Turkey. I was just in Turkey. Istanbul is actually like my favorite city right now. I know I keep saying that, man. Currently Istanbul is my favorite city, man. Like, if you guys have been to Istanbul, you definitely relate. I know what I'm talking about. They got everything in Istanbul. Like whatever you want, you can get it in Istanbul. You've been there, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about Istanbul?
I love it.
What do you like most about Istanbul?
I was actually for New Year's Eve like a couple of years ago, and it was crazy storm with the snow.
Yeah.
And people like were so surprised. They don't have this tire for winter, you know?
Yes.
Because they don't need it. And they said like for 20 years Istanbul never saw such snow.
Wow.
It was crazy. I mean, and I was like completely wet all the time, you know, like I was walking down the streets and I just wanted to see the city as much as I can. It was, you cannot stand cold. It was unbelievable.
Yeah, I like that city. Istanbul is pretty amazing. And the people are so friendly, you know. They have like how you guys have Republic Square here, they have Taksim Square.
Yeah.
It's a really big square where everybody meets, you know. They have, you know, it's very touristy. It's a lot of people there. Like you meet like different people from everywhere. Yeah, people are pretty friendly there, you know. Obviously everything is different right now because of COVID. You know, they said it used to be millions of people there, but yeah, guys, so Belgrade at night, man. I think it's the best time to come to Belgrade so you can have the city like this to yourself. You know, it's not much tourists here. I'm having a good time right here. So what are the things that you think the must-see things in Belgrade for anyone that comes to Belgrade?
Well, the fortress, Kalemegdan for sure, and Skadarlia, this street that I told you.
Yeah.
It's like completely in these kaldrma, which are like squared rocks. So it's like really, really old streets, and there's a lot of restaurants and bars there. And what else? The sea, the riverside, Dunav. Then there is Zemun, which is like little old. Whoever lives in Zemun, they say it's like this is the other town, but they don't have their own place. You know, it's part of the Belgrade, but people are saying no, this is the other part.
Oh, okay.
And it's also very nice. It's kind of old. It's like from Austria. That time, let's say, period of like really old.
Yeah.
And there is Dunav, which is the river going from Belgrade, then Budapest, and I cannot remember where else, but it's connecting like a couple of really big cities.
Okay.
And there is one more river, Sava, on the opposite against side of the Belgrade.
Mhm.
So basically, when you go to the Kalemegdan fortress,
Yes.
it's like these two rivers are like connected there. It's really, really nice.
Okay.
There's a lot of museums, of course, but I don't even know if they are working now.
Yeah, they
because
might be
probably-
closed. Yeah. But yeah, guys, you got a lot of options, like different options of things that you can definitely see in Belgrade. So, you know, they have a lot of like history here, you know, that, you know, so I definitely recommend Belgrade, man. You guys have heard, you know, she's Serbian, originally from here. She just gave you guys all the information that you need to know. So, you know, just, you know, hit that subscribe button, man. Smash the subscribe button for me. You know, I have some more travel coming up. Hey guys, so we made it to Republic Square, and we're right here. And what I heard about Republic Square is it was a meeting point, right? It's a meeting point for like the people in Belgrade. And if you're in Belgrade and you guys want to meet, you tell people Republic Square. Everyone knows it. It's a very famous square. We have people meet, and yeah, so they have just the National Museum, right?
Yeah.
The National Museum right here, and they have this coat of arms, and they have like a theater right there. I see with a courtyard, it's a Mariam right here actually that they have there. And what is this again?
This man on the horse.
Okay. Alright.
It's some kind of.
It's yeah.
Oh my
It's a
God.
very famous square actually, you know. If you ever come to Belgrade, you definitely gotta come here. You know, yeah, it's really dark right now because we're recording at night, but you guys can see Belgrade's a really beautiful city, and I highly recommend anyone, yeah. I highly recommend Belgrade. You know, you guys gotta come here and see this. You know, it's really beautiful. They have a lot of like really nice old buildings, right?
Yeah.
Yes, a lot of history here too. It's one of like the oldest cities. Yeah, so yeah, for sure. In Belgrade.